Allah Akbar! Get on this side, babe. Get on this side. Come on. Babe, come on. Was that a gun hit? Was that a gun hit? Did they hit your gun? Get over here, babe. Get behind cover. Shit. Fuck. This thing is still shooting. I forgot to reload that fucking mag. We gotta get somewhere. I'm gonna make a run for this shit, alright? Here we go. Come in, come in, come in. Turn the corner and come in here. Good job.
Right in the head.
Fucking bullets whizzing by. Huh? There's a shit ton of bullets whizzing by. I got a visual. Fuck. Fucking bitch. What the fuck, dude? I saw you flinch, you bitch.
Ow, bitch. What the fuck?
Got one. There's like three. One in the building and then two to the left side of it. Fucking bullets.
No, I got one.
Babe, you wanna try this?
Okay.
Pop around this.